Hi friends, this is Sarah here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to open this ring light, which is Choose Social Ring Light. It says 3 color modes, 10 brightness levels and 360 lighting. Perfect glow ring light. Here you go. Let's open it together and then assemble it and see how it works. On the other side of the box it is like this. Let's open this selfie light together. I'm going to open this box to see what is included. So first I can see this kind of screw. Let's put it on the table, and on this paper there is our selfie light. It looks really good size. It says 10 inches, but 10 inches is actually bigger than I was expecting. And this wire is for connecting USB power. Yeah, this is for connecting the power to the selfie light. Let's open this one now and see what is in here. It looks like tripod. Oh, the tripod is really small. I wasn't expecting this small, but see if it does the job. And now I have to see how to assemble it. So this is a screw here, and I'll call it now I have no idea what to call it. And this is the tripod and a mobile holder. It comes with a manual which says how you can assemble it. So let's try. First you need to pick this screw and this part, and this is phone holder stick and the phone holder. There's another screw type thing, and in the end it comes the tripod and the selfie light itself. Okay, it took me long actually to understand how I have to assemble it, and finally I just found out. So this part is a bit tricky. You need to click it inside this phone holder, and this nut goes on the mobile holder. It's for, I think, moving the phone up and down. Yeah. And the next step is this screw kind of thing you have to put on your tripod and screw it. Just make sure you put this screw really tight so the selfie light doesn't fall down, and there's an other part which you have to put on the top of this tripod. So once I have completed this process, the next one is putting the selfie light on. So open the tripod. There is a hole in the selfie light where you have to screw the tripod. So all you have to do is screw this really nice and tight, and make sure it's really nice and tight again, because if it's not, your selfie light and the mobile can fall down. So screw it nicely as much as it can. Keep doing it until it's done. And then the next part is putting the phone holder on the selfie light. Now just on the top where I have installed my tripod, there is another hole for the mobile holder. So let's put it on really good, and you are just done. Now let's see how it looks and how it works. When I bought it online, I had no idea how small the tripod is, because in the photos it was looking a bit bigger, but I hope it works good. Let's try. I'm going to use my portable charger to turn the selfie light on. These are the buttons. This one is for on and off and different settings. We try them all in a bit. This screw here is to change the position of the selfie light. So let's try it. Turning it on now. Our selfie light is on. So I'm going to use some different settings on this button. So different levels of light, and yeah, that's quite nice. I like it. For the price, it's really good. And here I have put it on my bigger tripod, which I use for my camera. So if you have a tripod of your own, you can put it on it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.